workers are highly exposed to danger from heavy machines and accidents. The Department of Occupational Safety and Health reports that there were 1,896 cases of occupational accidents involving workers were reported to the department from January until March 2020. Among those cases, 61 deaths were recorded. The number of deaths recorded was mainly occurred at construction sector, which contributes 23 of the total deaths, followed by manufacturing sector, which contributes 18 of the total deaths. This is quite concerning considering in only 3 months, the death toll already reaches 61 and could increase in months to come. Thus, this led to the lack of safety equipment as the main factor for these accidents to occur in the workplace. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration had enforced regulations with regards to the workers' safety in the workplace. This is known as the Construction Personal Protective Equipment. This includes eye and face protection, foot protection, hand protection, head protection, and hearing protection. However, the advancement of technologies nowadays enhance the safety of workers even more at the workplace. One of the use of technologies for safety purposes is the 3D visualization technology. The 3D visualization software technology can help employees to become more aware of the workplace surroundings and its risk. The software generates lifelike images by recording the image using 2 angles. This tool has great advantages for workers' training sessions for any given environment. 3D visualization software can recreate environments and workplace sites, allowing workers to know the dangers and hazards in advance. It can additionally notify managers on what safety equipment and materials workers would require to prevent any accident.
Electric power industry, or also known as energy industry, is the backbone of the industry world as it supplies essential energy to industrial, commercial, and residential customers worldwide. In the past, electrocution and electric shock have been seen as the primary electrical hazards to people, along with fires of electrical origin. Approximately 30,000 non-fatal electrical shock accidents occur each year. About 1,000 electrocutions, which is deaths from electrical shock, occur each year. More than half of them while working on conductors and equipment energized at less than 600 volts. Electric shocks occur when people contact live parts or in some other way become part of an electric circuit. To solve this lack of awareness, augmented reality or AR has been introduced for reducing fatality in electric power industry. The power sector has been one of the earlier adopters of AR technologies. The implementation of any technology involves a capital investment which may not be feasible for every power company. As some companies in this sector are beginning to realize the benefits of using advanced technologies in operations, they are experiencing an improvement in operational efficiency and process to better serve customers. The use of AR in an electric power station has the potential to minimize operational costs, improve safety, and broaden the types of service provided in these industries. Augmented reality provides a suitable visualization of related instructions at the workplace.
Industrial IoT is increasingly influencing safety products and solutions through improved connectivity of more intelligent devices, with vendors able to support customers with data that can provide insight on production in addition to core safety features. The worker nowadays always do the careless mistake which cause damage when conduct machine and also cause an injury and incident. IoT is aiding product development which could help tackle unsafe situations. For example, RFID technology is used with safety interlock switches to allow for single monitoring of doors and provide important insight on usage. Next example of smarter safety technology is laser scanners, which intend for outdoor and warehouse use. This product can be used to support vehicle navigation, cranes and robots, where it can prevent collision and provide protrusion monitoring for storage, which checks for prohibited protruding objects that may result in improper storage, for example in warehouses.
Health is one of the important aspects that many employers and employees did ignore before, during and after at the workplace. Even during work, all of them still have risk of chemical exposures that will affect their life. If they are unwell because they are sick and they still go to work, it will surely increase the risk of accident during labor. On the other hand, it can affect other people in the workplace as well. Now we are all in the pandemic of COVID-19, hence we should increase awareness even more. The use of ICT can surely help with this problem. To ensure the employees are allowed to enter the possible hazardous workplace, the company can install an electronic sensor. It will scan the employees and send the information to a program where it analyzes the employees' attire, whether they are using protection from possible chemical hazards or not. This will help the employees to practice proper attire during working with a hazardous chemical. We can create a program that can supervise all of the employees and employees in the workplace. They need to update their last location in the company at least 2 times. They also need to fill the survey to check whether they are high risk of getting COVID-19 or not. All of this will connect to one platform which can keep as a record and monitored. Thanks to IoT, Internet of Things, we can get the benefits that make things easy where it is all accessible via the internet. We can also install a device at the entrance of the workplace that automatically records our temperature, which will consume less time. The sanitizer also has a sensor that will help dispense it for you automatically. ICT can help us to improve our safety awareness for all aspects, which can reduce accidents occur before, during and after at the workplace. Nowadays, ICT plays a big role in the development of humankind. We can use ICT wherever and whenever we are, not only for engineering but for all kinds of fields to improve the demand of an institution. We all should be thankful and use ICT as best as we could in everyday life.